All right, I wanted to just show you real quickly how to turn in assignments. So today there are three different assignments that the students will actually complete and turn in so that I can see their work. So they will, there's three different ones. One is they're the living and non-living, where they're going to just separate and after they watch a video, they're going to sort the living and non-living items. So when they do that, they have them sorted. Um, they'll once it's complete, it will save it. So on all three assignments, and this with Google. Google Slides or any sort of Google form, it is going to save it as they go. So they don't have to save anything. All changes are saved immediately. So then once they're finished and this is complete, then they will go back in. Then they'll do the next item. So once they're finished with the living and non-living, then you can click on the beginning blend sort that I did the little tutorial on how to sort that. So once they have that sorted, and they've completed the whole sort, and then they've typed the words on that part, then they will go back to the Google Classroom again, and then do the final one. So there's three different assignments today that need to be turned in. So the addition within 5, the beginning blend sort, and then the living and non-living. So then once they have this completed and they've sorted all of the answers and pulled over the numbers to answer all the addition problems, then once all three items, all three assignments are complete, then you'll just click right here on turn in. So I'm logged in right now as a student. So it'll say 3 attachments will be submitted. Now, I wanted to show you one thing and this will be on an item that is actually for tomorrow's classwork, where they're going to draw a picture. And if they're not able to draw the picture within the Google slide, then you can always attach a picture. So if you wanted just to take a picture of, and sometimes I may ask that for just to attach writing, you could take a picture and then upload a file right here from your device. You can do that through the app on your phone, or you could, upload it to your laptop to add. If you could even add something from a Google Drive or a file, you can even create something new here. But we don't need to do that for any of the assignments for today, but just for future reference, you are able to add, like you're attaching a file. So once all 3 assignments are complete, then you'll just click on turn in, and those are the 3 that they've finished, and then you'll just click on turn in. And then once they do that, if for some reason realized that something wasn't complete or they wanted to make changes, then you can go back and click unsubmit, and then fix anything you need to, and then turn it back in. So hopefully that helps with understanding. That way I can see, who's completed it and see the students' work, see that they're understanding those different concepts.